The complexity of conducting rigorous, systematic, verifiable, empirical, and critical research has caused me to doubt and worry about graduating from college. Specifically, our chosen study on investigating the attributes of a teacher in Devo del Norte State College employing a two-fold approach, incorporating both qualitative and quantitative data collection with exploratory factor analysis, presents a significant opportunity but also a challenging task. The research process, from establishing the introduction and rationale for our study, reviewing related studies and theories, interpreting the data, and drawing conclusions and recommendations for the beneficiaries and the growing body of knowledge, has been particularly challenging. In my pursuit of understanding and crafting our research for the final defense, I have experienced numerous sleepless nights, sacrificing precious rest to delve into the intricacies of my study. Coffee has become my constant companion, fueling my weary mind and keeping me awake during those long, solitary hours. The toll on my body has been undeniable, resulting in persistent back pain, chest tightness, headaches, and eye strain that plague my days. Hours upon hours spent hunched over a laptop, meticulously analyzing data and grappling with complex concepts, have taken their toll. However, despite the physical and mental strains, my determination remains steadfast. I remind myself that this temporary discomfort is a testament to my commitment and passion for knowledge, and I am willing to endure it all to ensure the success of our research and work towards my ultimate goal. During the revision process for the hardbound submission, the weight of expectations and the fear of failure looms large in my mind, making the journey toward graduation appear uncertain and treacherous. The thought of endless revisions from the panel to make our work detailed, justifiable, and error-free adds to the pressure. However, amidst these uncertainties, I find solace in my unwavering belief in Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, which reminds me that I can do all things through him who strengthens me. With this faith and reliance on a higher power, I am empowered to confront these challenges head-on, seeking guidance and support from mentors and peers. I nurture the belief that with perseverance and dedication, I can overcome these obstacles and emerge stronger on the other side. In fact, according to Griffiths, 2017, perseverance is a quality individuals tap into to achieve their goals, regardless of the challenges they may face, making it a key factor for academic and life success. We have design services such as illustration, AI artists, children's book illustration, portrait and caricatures, cartoons and comics, pattern design, tattoo design, storyboards, NFT art. There are many customers all over the world reviewed after receiving my products. Please read my reviews to know what other clients think of me. I am very confident in my ability to provide you more than 200% of the product value as which you pay to me. See the link below for more detail. Your satisfaction is my happiness.